Welcome everyone, I am back. Guess what? Today is July the 18th, 2022. We're going to talk about Virgin Galactic today and see if the market is to buy. Yeah, I want to show you all. Look at my chart. Just take a quick second. Would you look at that? I was looking for the price in space to go up and that did not happen. So yes, your boy did not get this one right. Price in Virgin Galactic actually went down when I was looking for it to go up. I'm going to show you what I think the market's about to do here in Virgin now so that we can get back in position and win again. You guys appreciate my videos, my content. To those who are new, welcome. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well because you all will see from my content that this is not a complicated game, that this is not hard, that this is not complex. All you need to do is look at the price. Nothing more, nothing less. All of my evidence, all of my proof is here on this channel. I got thousands of videos here. Yeah, 1,000. So all you got to do is go and look for yourself. Now, let's talk. Because my last video I didn't get it right. Okay. April the 4th, did an update video in Virgin to which I was looking for the price to still go up. April the 4th. This is where the price was, okay? Right there. I was still expecting the market in Virgin Galactic because I had this price prediction all the way back since February, right? February. One thing about me that I don't do with all these other finance YouTubers is that I don't continually come in and tell you to come in and buy the stock. Even when I see the market going down 15%, when it's down 30%, when it's down 50%, when it's down 75%, I still don't come in and create videos and say that it's a buy and that it's a long-term hold, because there's times to where the market just isn't that. This is what's been going on with Virgin Galactic. After I did my video on April the 4th, the price has completely fell off. So at what point would we have said, all right, cool, I need to cut it. Market is not giving us the strength. We have seen it. Like, we should have already known that something wasn't right. Why would I say that? Because of this area right here. Okay. That was the problem. Look at this. When we first did this price prediction back in February, we were already trading at a restrictional point right there on 11. That was impacting the upward move in Virgin Galactic. So for us to see price dip in February, price come right back up to 11, we should have already known that the chances of us actually breaking above that price was slim. But that's just some of the risks that you take when you expect things to happen. So when we came through on April the 4th, right, we saw how the market in space was just hovering around $11. So we said, all right, it looks as if the market's going to try to break that $11 level higher, but it didn't happen. The next day, you saw the market in space down 8%. 8% the day after I did my video. So if you would have said anything, for one, we know that $11 was impacting the price move higher. And then for two, the day after I did the video on April the 4th, the market went down almost 9%. That there alone, those two things happening would have told us, yeah, that $11 is still hard. The sellers are definitely still positioned there at $11 in Virgin Galactic. I might need to cut the market there, because if you did, then you would have saved yourself 10.75% loss versus to where the market is at right now, which is 31%. Yeah. Okay, you see that, right? Not only do I want to show you the plays that I get right, I want to show you the ones that I get wrong and show you why the market did not play out the way that we expected it to play out. So when we see it again, we can be better positioned and understanding that's okay. This is what we're up against. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut this out. Okay, because now we got some things to talk about. So now, market in Virgin Galactic. Okay, you all can see it's not really doing too much. It's just range bound. We're just seeing it trade sideways. That's it. Not a lot going on. I wanted to show your attention on this volume bar right there. Okay, let's talk about that for a moment. What do you think this means, right? Would you agree it stands out, right? It does. So what does it mean? Did the market sell off there, or did the market buy? What do you think all that volume represents? Because that's a big player. When you see this much volume coming to the market, we got to acknowledge those things, because it tells us somebody's coming into the market. And when you see this much volume come in, your attention needs to be focused. Okay, I'm gonna pay attention to the next couple of trading days to see what happens. If the market falls drastically, then we know that all that volume was mostly selling. But here we are today, the price is a lot higher than where we were on June the 24th. So obviously there was enough interest or demand in the market and space for us to know that, hey, that didn't impact the price. So even though the market from out the gate, from after that day, it did go down, but it wasn't a massive move lower. We need to remember that. Okay. Now, let's look at this on a 3-day chart. Okay. Because I'm looking at the chart in Virgin Galactic, and I'm not necessarily all that bearish. It doesn't look that weak, to be honest. We're seeing a lot of indications that the market price in Virgin Galactic is trying to go up. Now, I got the arrow and I got this horizontal line at a very crucial price, $7 and like 60 cents, $7.50. Now, the market is there right now. So when you see this on these three-day price bars, right? It seems like the market is trying to break above that level. Because here, it tried to break above that level, but it got rejected. Here we are again. This is where we can possibly see the major move higher in Virgin Galactic. Because rather than it occurring in one 3-day price bar, we've seen price hover the last 9 trading days right there. And the market is not falling, right? It's not, which is a good thing. Now, here it is on the 5-day. Okay. This is where weakness is still seen. So let's not get it twisted. There's still sellers here in the market in Virgin Galactic, right there around $7.60. Right. We need to acknowledge that, because this last 5-day price bar, the market closed off of the highs. That represents that there's still some sellers in the market in Virgin Galactic right there where that horizontal line is. So the chances of us still seeing, just like last time, we can still see the market not break above $7.62. We can still see that. Weekly chart. Okay. Now this is different here from the weekly chart perspective. This weekly price bar alongside this one tells me that market is trying to go up. That's emphatically what I'm showing you. Market buyers are trying to lift this price in Virgin Galactic. Yes. But will they be successful? That's the question that is yet to be answered. I'm looking for the price to go up in Virgin Galactic. I am. Now, we need to figure out how high though, right? Because the market, before it goes down, we want to make sure that we are able to profit from the move. Okay? So, let me go ahead and do this. Okay. We're going to play the strength into the market in Virgin again. But we're going to look for the market. If we're able to see the market break $7.62, my ultimate TP price would be around $11.33. Okay, that's my ultimate TP price. Now, from there, my second price target would be around $9.35. Okay. Then my first one, let me give you my first one. First one is going to be $8.34. Okay, that's my first price target. My second one is going to be here, around $9.25. Gives us 26%. And the third one is going to be around 11. Okay, now that's it. Bring this up just a little bit higher. Okay, now that's it. Those are the 3 price targets. Go back and listen to what my price targets are if you all missed it. But that's what I'm looking at now. So it's your turn. Go ahead and tell me. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.